team, and today we're doing full body HIIT workout with a strong focus on shoulders, back and abs. This exercise is great for the core strength, stability, for control of the movement, arms and shoulders exercises. So definitely grab a lighter weight, 2-3 pounds, if you are just at the beginning of your fitness and health journey. For back, arms and shoulders, but also will work that one front leg a lot. This one is a constant one. Chest up and lift it on a raise. Wrist, elbow, and shoulders on one level. Stay. High pull. Control. Squeeze the glutes. And again. We focus on a lot on the back, shoulders, and abs at the end of this workout. With me. Good work, guys. Finish strong. Not a big deal. All the way. Perfect. Touch where you can, even if it's next to your body. Reach all the way up. Inhalation. Exhalation as always. I'm so proud of you. I know it could be very challenging for the beginners, and that's why I'm proud of you. An extra double time. Rest well, guys. Recover well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my new video.